In this video, we will unbox MAVIC AIR 2, introducing you to everything that comes with this awesome drone. For this unboxing, we'll be showing you the contents of the MAVIC AIR 2 combo. First things first, let's open up this box and take a look at the aircraft. Go ahead and unfold the drone's arms, and then remove the gimbal protector. MAVIC AIR 2 has two different types of motors and propellers that pair up. It's essential to make sure the right propeller is attached to the corresponding motor. Attach the propellers with the silver markings to the motors with silver markings. Likewise, the propellers without any markings should go on the motors without markings. Remember to check that everything is firmly attached to ensure a safe flight. Take out the control sticks from the convenient storage spot at the bottom of the controller, and then screw them in place. Extend the mobile device clamp. You'll find that's where the RC cable is stored. The cable on the right with an icon marks the end that should connect with the remote controller. The other end of the cable on the left should be used to connect to your smartphone. The RC cable that comes in the box is a lightning cable. If you need a different type of connector, there are more options available in the accessory kit. Unplug the connector with the RC icon, then insert the new connector with an icon into the port on the right side of the remote controller. Take out the connector from the left and unwind it to the right, making sure it's behind the non-slip pads of the clamp. Place your smartphone inside the clamp with the charging port on the right side. Tighten the clamp, making sure everything is secure, and then connect the RC cable to your smartphone. To store, wind the connector cable around the clamp and insert the other end into the port. And there you go, you're all set up. Connect to and charge with the battery cable for about a minute to activate the battery. Insert the battery into the battery compartment. You should hear a click, which means the battery is secure. Press once, then again, and hold to turn on the remote controller and the aircraft. When you're done flying and capturing epic shots, turn off the aircraft and the remote controller by pressing and holding the power button for 2 seconds. Before you head out, remember to fold the arms, put the gimbal protector back on, and put the aircraft back inside the shoulder bag. Hit the like button if this tutorial was helpful. If you need any support with your DJI gear, feel free to contact us via Facebook Messenger by following the link in the description.